Picture this. You spend time crafting the perfect feedback. Clear, specific, kind, actionable, gold star worthy. And then, crickets. The student uploads their next assignment. Same mistake, same confusion. Sound familiar? Feedback isn't the end of the road, it's the on-ramp to growth. And in this video, I'll show you how to make sure your feedback doesn't just land, it launches. Stick around till the end if you want a dead simple system that'll help your learners take feedback seriously and grow with it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to support learners in reflecting on feedback, help them plan next steps, and track their improvement over time. Let's make feedback more than just comments. It's coaching for growth. Feedback shouldn't be one way. Give learners a chance to talk back, not to argue, but to engage. Example, practice. After returning feedback, ask. In one paragraph, tell me how you'll apply this next time. This helps learners process what you said and makes them own it. Now that they've reflected, what's next? Create a mini roadmap. Break down the feedback. Set clear goals. Make it easy to follow. Practice tip. Use a checklist. Fix passive voice. Add more data in conclusion. Clarify paragraph 3. It's simple, but powerful. This one's the game changer. Want learners to see that feedback works? Help them track their progress. Keep a shared doc, Google Sheet, or even a notebook log. Example, practice. Here's the feedback I gave last time. Let's check how you improved this round. They'll start to connect the dots, and trust me, they'll level up faster. Think back to a time you gave awesome feedback. Did the learner actually use it? If not, what could you have done differently to turn that moment into momentum? Drop your thoughts in the comments or reflect in your course journal. Final thought. Giving feedback is easy. Turning it into growth? That's the real work and the real reward. So, encourage reflection. Build action plans. Track improvement. That's how you move from feedback to forward motion. If this helped shift your mindset, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with a fellow educator or course creator. Because remember, we simplify your creativity and innovations so you can focus on helping learners grow. Catch you in the next one.